Okay, my dear students, today we have an interaction session. First of all, each of you will speak on that topic. I will call the name of that person whom I want to speak on the topic. And after all would have taken their part, all would have shared their views, there would be open debate on the same topic. I think this is very nice topic, entertainment. You know, and what is entertainment? How do we entertain ourselves? So I'm starting calling the names. Are you ready? I think you are ready for it. If you have any issue, you can ask me, you can tell me. And first of all, I am calling Harshit.
So yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Harshit More and today I'm going to tell you about entertainment. So as we all know very well that the term entertainment is used for a particular work that is used to entertain us or to make us laugh. And that type of movement is known as entertainment, and it is a type of thing by which we can make ourselves happy and we can enjoy our life. And we can see that there are many means of entertainment, like sometimes it is present nearby us, or sometimes it is in the tvs, cameras, or many types of things. So basically we can say that entertainment is anything that gives us happiness. By seeing that we get happiness. That's it, sir.
Very good. Rakshit. Rakshit.
सर हमें भोग नहीं चढ़ाओगे?
झूठी थी यार.
सर भोग चढ़ाओ.
जाओ.
अरे सर चढ़ाओ ना, जाएगा भोग.
चढ़ाया ना मैंने तो संडे को आना आपके. हाँ रक्षित. ले ले
अरे
ले 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 जाओ. जाओ जाओ.
थैंक यू सर.
Right, Rakshit.
यस सर. सर बोलू?
हाँ बोल ना.
यस सर. नहीं सर, सर आप आराम से सर पहले चुस्किया ले लो सर.
तो मैं लेता रहूंगा तेरे को, तेरे मुंह से थोड़ी दूंगा चुस्की. बोल तू. बोल तू बोल.
यस सर. सर ये गौरव को मना लो सर, डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है बिना फालतू में.
कर रहा हूँ आज मैं 7 दिन के लिए. कहाँ है? कहाँ है? मिलने दे इसको, तू बोल.
Yes, sir. So today we have a topic that is entertainment. So we know that what is entertainment. It is a part of our life because it helps us to maintain a good health, we can say a good positive health, because as the other things in the life are important, and along these things entertainment is also important, because we know that what is entertainment. Entertainment is the pleasure or laugh that we get from anything or anyone. Like we are sitting at a place with our friends or family members, and then we talk with each other and laugh with each other. That is also termed as entertainment. And and also now there are many sources digitally of entertainment, like tv, mobile, etc. On this you can watch many movies, comedy shows, cartoons, and different types of serials, etc., that can give you entertainment. Because we know that we do many works in our life, and and sometimes we got exhausted and tired of doing the works. So for rest we sleep, but along with sleep we also need some other means by which we can get rid of the tiredness and exhaustness. That source is entertainment. We when we entertain ourselves, we feel pleasure and happiness, and the burden of the work from our mind gets off, and moves away.
शाबाश.
and uh,
सुनो सब ध्यान से. हाँ हाँ.
and then we feel burden free. And by taking entertainment we can also be productive in our works. because continuously doing work make us less productive. But when we take rests in our between our works, we will become more productive. And but we should take entertainment with a limit. Not all time we are not doing our important works. We are just resting and watching mobile tvs, etc. So this should not be done. So that's it.
Very good. Shabash. Rohit. Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about entertainment. As we all know, that entertainment is something that gives us pleasure, and it can be anything. It can be anything in our daily life that gives us pleasure is entertainment. Like we are playing cricket outside, that is also a type of entertainment because we get pleasure by playing that sport. And nowadays, entertainment's biggest source is the social media. People use social media for getting entertainment, for getting entertained. And nowadays, like there are many platforms that entertain us, but that are not good content givers. We should get entertained through the good content that can help us, that can help our health also, because entertainment is good for our hygiene and stress management. Many people prefer getting entertained for the stress management. So I believe that nowadays, to be more efficient, entertainment is the way. Entertainment is a way by which we can manage our stress and be full of efficiency. That's it.
Harsh. Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening. Today I will give my points in the aspect regarding the entertainment. So first of all, what is entertainment? Entertainment is a thing which provides us pleasure, and it creates more dopamine in our mind, which is a chemical which provides us pleasure after seeing anything. So entertainment is a process in which our brain produces more dopamine, and we get relief from stress and many other things. But taking entertainment a lot and getting addicted to it is not good for our health, because then we will not be able to focus on anything. In everything we will be looking for entertainment, and if we will not be getting it, then we would not be able to concentrate in it. So it is important for us to do not be get addicted to the entertainment, and use the entertainment as a source of just making our mind relax from stress and free from stress. And the main source of entertainments are social media, which provides us all the contents which we want about entertainment. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया. Komal.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Komal Bhairava, and we all know that there is a topic of entertainment, and we all know that entertainment is the word, and we can see that with the when we listen entertainment word, we in our mind there are different types of things that things can that things can be make us happy and entertain.
Wow.
And there are different types of things that we can do in our free time, and that things can entertain us and happy also. And we all know that uh, there is a science and technology generation, and there is a different types of entertainment means, and social media, and in there is a many
There
things.
are आएगा ना. There are
Sorry,
many. ध्यान दे
sorry,
थोड़ा.
sorry. Yes, sir. There are many things that with the help of that things we can feel entertained. Like we can feel we there are mobile phones, computers, etc. And in the mobile phone we can play games, watching different types of videos and cooking videos and funny videos, etc. And
Hmm.
and we all know that there is a not means of entertainment that watching reels and scrolling reels, etc. But
Hmm.
there is a different type of people. They entertain with their family and they improve their skills with the help of entertainment, like cooking skills and stitching skills, etc. And some of the people they feel entertained and happy with their spend their time with their family and and friends also. And we can say that there is a not there is a there is a no uh, there is a not social media. We can't entertain us with uh, not only social media but also our relatives, friends, and offline things. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, तो बहुत बढ़िया बोलने लग गई बेटा. Very good. Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Raman on the detective classes of 16. And today again, I am here with our new topic that is entertainment. So first of all, I want to introduce to you entertainment. Entertainment means entertainment is an activity which helps us to give happiness and makes us laugh.
Hmm.
And I think that it is very important in this age because at this time most of people are busy in their work and they are stressed and they have tension of their work.
Hmm.
So I think that it is very important and it is not important for ourselves, but it is also important for animals.
Hmm.
And for human being, it is important for both body and mind because entertainment makes us energetic and motivate and it also makes us joyful. And there are many source of entertainment like social media, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, music, circus, and movie halls, and malls, parks, uh, and fairs, and and also magic show. So we can entertain ourselves from these sources. And in the past, there used to be entertainment. Like yes, the source of entertainment were different. Like like fairs and debates. We can see nowadays that in our family, some elders sit at a place and they talk to each other at many topics like science and they also tell the stories of past and we can get knowledge from them. But as we can see that people entertain themselves, but they entertain uh, themselves more than enough, and they distract from their path. Entertainment is important, but more, but but more more than two enough is not good because it distracts us from our path. So we should be careful that we should be enter we should entertain, but at a limit. That is very important.
Okay.
And
Hmm.
and in social media, there are some channels which are making the society very bad because some people upload their contents with abusing words which making the society very bad. So at last, I want to say that entertain yourself, but from the good source. So that's it.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Performance is very nice. Keep it up. Manoj.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today my topic is entertainment. Entertainment maybe anything that that gives us pleasure, delight, and it is not necessary that every entertainment is meaningful. It may be meaningless also, and there are there are different types of means of entertainment, but there are like people enter themselves from like movies, music, song, games, etc. And entertainment is very important in everyone's life because it may as well as it makes our life easier also, because whenever we get entertainment somewhere we lose our worries about the life, and that is the another world where we get entertainment. And 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 entertainment should be in a limit, and over entertainment can be the maybe harmful to someone. And there are uh, there are commonly uh, in this time social media is the most popular platform of entertainment. People go there and make themselves entertain, and takes pleasure from there, and as well as they waste their time. And so entertainment, we should all we all should get entertainment in a limit, and and that's it, sir.
Very good. बस कोशिश करते रहो ऐसी. शाबाश. Priya.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Priya Meena, and today's our topic is how to entertain ourselves. So, uh, as we know very well that we all are human beings, and we do our we when we do our work style and lifestyle, so we need a break to being entertain ourselves, and to entertain ourselves, we we wait for a free time, but I think we shouldn't wait for a free time. We should take a time to entertain ourselves so that we can refresh our mind, and we feel healthy and happy also. And in present time, people use mobile phone, TV to entertain themselves, but by these things, they they although they entertain themselves, but they they are not entertaining themselves practically
Self में themselves.
themselves. But I think by using these things, they are not entertaining themselves practically. And in ancient time, go people doesn't doesn't use mobile phone, and they uh,
म्यूट
entertain
होना चाहिए ना,
themselves.
डोंट यूज। ये बंद करो, सब
Don't
जितना भी बैकग्राउंड लगा रखा है सबने सब बंद कर दो, अपने अपने बैकग्राउंड।
don't use
सारे बैकग्राउंड अपने अपने। हाँ,
these types of device to entertain
बैकग्राउंड ऐसा
themselves.
नहीं होना चाहिए जो पर्सनली किसी के ऊपर कमेंट कर रहा हो। बोलो।
So they used to go for visit, and they took they held dance shows, singing
तो आएगा,
shows,
ओल्ड ही तो आएगा, प्रेजेंट में तो आना चाहिए।
रखा करते थे. They had held dance shows and singing shows, etc. And in present time, we should for entertain ourselves, we should play games and that things which gives us peace and pleasure. Like we should spend time with our favorite person, by which by which we can spend we can entertain ourselves, and we should do activities which gives us pleasure and entertainment. Like we should play games, and uh, we can also read books, and can do these things which gives us entertainment. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश। लक्ष्मी।
Yes, sir. Today, my name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today, our topic is entertainment, and entertainment is very, very important in our life. It brings happiness, joy, etc. And entertainment is a platform where the people enjoy their life, and we should take entertainment in a limitation. If we should take it सर ज्यादा क्या बोलेंगे more, so it may be harmful for us, and we can take entertainment with the help of mobile phone by watching videos and watching movies, etc. Sometimes we make a fun with our friends to others, so it is entertainment, and if without it we cannot remain happy in our life. Sometimes we are bored, so we use social media for getting entertainment, and with the help of entertainment we can remain happy in our life. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। काजल। काजल।
Meena, today my topic.
बोल बेटा। काजल।
Hello, my
कैमरा बंद करके बोलो।
yes, hello, my topic is entertainment. As we all know that entertainment is the activity by which we can happy and we can happy and it is a so
we can be happy, we can remain happy, like that। आगे बोलो।
we can remain happy. As we can see that there are so many platforms of the entertainment, like social media is the big platform of the entertainment. People use the entertainment themselves. They use
mobile phones, computers, etc. I think it is good, but not so much because it is also very harmful for our mind and body because for remain happy, we should. I think we should we should use many activities like we can do any activity like we dance. We should use dance and we should make paintings and we stand and we should we can make many memories with our family by which we can be happy. It is also very because we should use I think we should play many games and we should make we should make food and we should do many physical activities by which we can remain happy and it is also very good for our health and our mind because if we use mobile phones and many social media, it is not good for our mind. We should use many physical activities and we should just and for being happy, we should read books and also for us because we not entertain by books, but also we get knowledge by books, and it is very good for us. And I think we should use. I think for remain happy, we should use many activities, and that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करते हो, शाबाश, ऐसे ही करते रहो बस. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Yes, now Kabir.
Yes, sir. I think entertainment is the source in which we contain many things like laugh, love, etc. We can do our entertainment by seeing TV, seeing social media, etc. Some people also entertain themselves uh, by by talk with someone or their family members and and we can entertainment is a feeling that we cannot show it. It is a it is so entertainment is entertainment is entertainment is used in a limit. Like some people do their entertainment by abusing to another person. So it is so bad thing, and we should not do it. If we want to entertain us, we can play any game or do any other thing, but we should not do bad things for it. Yes, that's it.
Very good. Okay. Shabash. Gaurav.
Yes. Okay, so I think that entertainment, people do their entertainment by reading books, telling jokes, and by doing other funny things or pranking someone from their neighborhood, friends, family members, and also by playing some games on mobile and outdoor or indoor games. And entertainment can be obtained by laughing or watching TV or watching mobile. We can get entertainment from anything that is funny, not serious, because entertainment is you can think of a laugh. If I am using this wallpaper, you and everyone is using such type of wallpaper or background, you are having entertainment. That, oh my god, he is he is in the meetup. So you are getting entertainment from it. You are having entertainment. So in these small things you can have entertainment to make yourself happy or not sad, or not. If you are stressed or you are in tension, you can find happiness or entertainment in small things. That's it.
Very good. Shabash. Anvi.
Sir, मैं अपनी meetup पे हूँ.
Anvi.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today's topic is entertainment. Entertainment is very useful for us. We can entertain by watching mobile, playing games, or playing with anyone, talking with anyone, etc. I am not saying mobile is only the way to entertain.
Shabash, shabash. बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
The best way to entertain is to talk with anyone or make your skills or better
बहुत बढ़िया यार. गजब की लड़की है. हाँ.
and practice on entertainment time and many other things. I like to entertain with to do drawings by doing drawings or playing games with my brother and sister. At the last, I want to say that entertainment means not that if you are watching phones or playing games. Entertainment means you want to feel your body entertained. So that's it.
Very good बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. कैमरे चालू कर लो अपने अपने. खुशी. सब कैमरे चालू कर लो अपने अपने. बहुत हो गया आराम. चालू कर दो कैमरे. ये सॉरी
खुशी. My name is Khushi Gujar. Today's my topic is entertainment. Entertainment is activities which provide us happiness, joy, and pleasure, etc. As you know that our mind always find their comfortable place for entertainment. So entertainment is a necessary part of the life, and we can get entertainment from many sources. Like we can watch movies, comedy videos, reels, etc. And we can do so many things for entertainment, and everyone has their own choice for entertainment, like outdoors games, indoors games, social medias, and visit, traveling, etc. And entertainment is very necessary for everyone. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. आदित्य.
सर एक चीज पूछनी है.
पूछो.
सर क्या बोलते थे गौरव भैया ने पीछे जो बैकग्राउंड लगा रखा है ये किस चीज का है?
ये संडे को हमने कहा था ना, संडे को मिलेंगे हम जवाहर सर्किल पे।
यस सर।
उस दिन का फोटो है बेटा।
अच्छा सर, थैंक यू सर।
ओके बेटा। हाँ यस आदित्य।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Aditya Ganot. So now I take my points that time. As you know that anytime we want that we want some happiness on our body, and that we get by entertainment. So many things that entertain us, like our friends, our family, and etc. Our how our friends entertain us. They playing with us, and we can share our 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 feelings and other things. And our family love so much, and they they waste their time with us, and that is very nice thing. They spend their time with us and entertain us, do so many things to show us any magic and other things. And we should do any activity like we can make any project that make for our uh, for our grandparents. So we do
by
that
our grandparents.
by our
पोजीशन को ध्यान रखो, आप फोकस करो। हाँ बोलो।
okay sir. And we do that thing very happily, and that is very nice thing to entertain us. Yes, that's it.
थोड़ा सा ठीक करो बेटा, प्रीपोजिशंस का ध्यान रखो, वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो, फोकस करो थोड़ा सा। काफी अच्छा कर रहे हो, और थोड़ा ध्यान दो। समझ गए ना? यस मुस्कान।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today I'm telling about entertainment. Entertainment is enjoyable activities that provide happiness from daily life, and they are they include watch movie, play game, music, and TV, which can also be source of which can also source of entertainment, and there are many way of entertainment yourself, and
योरसेल्फ
like
वी आ रहा है तो आवर सेल्फ आएगा ना। थोड़ा फोकस कर, थोड़ा शब्दों पे फोकस कर थोड़ा सा। हाँ
like reading books, play games, and talk with our family and etc. And but in present time, we we watch mobile phone, use mobile phone for entertainment, and this is wrong because there are many ways of entertainment, and that's it, sir.
ओके ठीक है, और कोशिश कर बेटा थोड़ी सी। यस सिमरन। सिमरन गुज्जर।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. And today I telling about how to entertain to ourselves, and you know that
when we when we do any work, then we tired. So I think that time we do many creative many creative works like many creative works which give peace and feel lives to us. Uh, 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 that we, I think uh, uh, our free time we can do
इन
many
आवर फ्री
creative.
टाइम थोड़ा फोकस करो. इन आवर फ्री टाइम थोड़ा फोकस करो शब्दों पे.
Okay, sir. When our free time we can do many creative work like so solving puzzles game and learning new skills and uh, playing games etc. But and spend our time with our family and friends and in the present time there are many sources of entertainment like TV, social media. So many people's.
पीपल्स नहीं.
Okay, sir. Many people.
ध्यान दो बेटा. हाँ.
Okay, sir. We can see many videos and entertain to us by social media and we we that's it, sir.
Very good. Now the debate is open for 5 minutes time only.
Yes. So, entertainment, as you know, entertainment is happiness. And we can find happiness in small things. Like if our friend is getting a punishment, it's our entertainment. If a dog is performing in a circus, it's our entertainment. Everything from we get happiness.
For us, speaking in class is entertainment.
So, according
For us,
to
performance in
me,
class is
some
entertainment.
people entertain themselves by gambling. So, I need to ask you that is it good or not?
Obviously not.
Yeah.
Why?
Because
Even
we can lose our money from gambling.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
It
we
is a
can see
type
that
of
there
sin.
is.
It is a type of a
The
sin.
government of India also accepts it.
Yes, as we know that entertainment is everywhere, and we can find it nearby us, whether it is our class or at any place. Like many times we can find some people doing some different things which they think that they are entertaining the class.
And also
If
in
you
the
like the way,
we can
if
find
you like the,
entertainment.
if you like the ways of like gambling for entertainment, then you are the cheapest person of the country and harmful for the development of the country.
Yes,
Yeah,
and
because
also
gamblings
for
are
the
not good
youth
because they are
mind of our country, because they will learn these things, these gambling and all things. So their future will be destroyed. So,
Sir, Gaurav should be
so you can
disqualified
think that
because I
what will
started
happen to
first.
our generations.
But
So
in
Yes,
that
Gaurav
was
should be
Gambling, they are
disqualified because I
earning
started
money
first.
and they are entertaining themselves. So, according to me, it is good. And
what?
and what is according to you?
What? Can you
It
repeat?
is good when we are playing it is at local level, like with our family members, but not at national or international level.
And if we are doing
Yeah, if
pranks
we
for
are spending money in
entertainment,
it, then it is not
so
good.
the
If
prank
we
should
are
not
just
be
taking it for
so
fun,
dangerous
it
that
is
it can really
Sir,
चेले को रुक जाना
Sir
चाहिए
Gaurav is trying to take others' turn as he has tried 2 times to take the turn of rescue.
गौरव ने पहले बोलना शुरू किया था
Sir,
this is the
last
first
time he
time you
started
can say
first.
that.
गौरव थोड़ा दूसरों को भी मौका दो
Okay, sir.
यस
Yes, sir.
कैरी ऑन
Y- Yes, sir. Gambling is not good if we are taking in fun or not, because it can lead to a bad habit. Because if we start for in a fun, but as we get addicted of it, then then a person starts to give to spend money in it. So it should not be played and done.
And not even money. They can lend house and all their properties to these gambling games, and this type of entertainment is not good for our young mind or youth mind.
How
That
are you
applies
so
for you
pretty
also.
about? Yes, sir. How are you pretty sure about these things? Because sometimes games teaches us the things which can't be taught us by the society, like patience and the things that we have to fight for our future, and nothing is free, and we have to fight for everything that we want to achieve.
I
Yes,
think
you
you
are
all are
right,
going out of the
Harshit
track.
Bhaiya. That games also entertain us and also make us learn some very important moral values.
I think you all are going out of the track. We are talking about entertainment, not about gambling.
But it doesn't mean you are getting over. There are two boys in my contact that whenever I see them eating, they have a mobile phone with themselves. So there should be a limit. That's
Yes, and if we have limit of mobile phone, we can uh, entertain ourselves from other things, and we can find happiness in other things, so we can get less stressed.
Then you should find entertainment in other things.
टाइम इज